What is going on? Figured I'd bring you guys for a ride along for the day here. Got a couple things going on, but got my 2018 GT350. I've had it for less than a year at this point, probably about 6 months. Sitting on some signature wheels. I just threw in some new headlights. These ones when I bought it with were broken. I gotta rewire those. So maybe get one of these episodes here. With some euros. Car is on E85 right now. It's like a full bolt-on tune. Planned for 2025 as twins on this thing, so stick around for that. It's probably about 40 degrees in the garage, but like 20 degrees outside. Illinois weather here. E85. We can hit it with the cold start real quick. See how this turns out. Not sure if you guys can hear me right now, but it's a very loud car. Stainless works catless headers with Corsa Sports. I opted out for extremes because I know they're already loud enough, and the sports are loud too. This is double H pipe, not X pipe. I like a little deeper tone. I had X pipe in my 5.0s. Figured something different here. Yeah, it's got Recaros. Oh, the lighting's good. I gotta grab this a little better there. Yeah, I got Recaro seats though. Carbon wheel. Last person had these carbon inlet overlays on here, the like flexible ones. I gotta rip them off. They're not the best here, so probably take those off. Gloomy day out here today, a little wet, but we can make it work. Yeah, we'll let this warm up here for a minute, and then just go on with the day. All right, I am on the road right now. Yeah, it's pretty shitty out here. They all wet and all of that. I'll probably throw I can throw the mic in the back of the car, just give you a little sound clip from the exterior. But for right now, let's I can roll the windows down a little bit. Hopefully the wind's not too bad. Car is not fully warmed yet. 130, so I don't want to go too crazy here, but yeah, just break loose and fucking fourth gear right there. So let's not crash this thing, eh? But yeah, car sounds awesome. I think for I'm happy I went the Corsa Sports and not extremes, because I'm kind of over the extremely loud, but this is extremely loud. I think inside probably does no justice for how loud this car actually is. So yeah, I'll throw that mic on the outside when this thing's maybe a little warmer here, and really get to see you can even see what it sounds like. But right now, I gotta go donate blood, doctor's orders. Yeah, I got too much red blood cells. So once it's over with, probably head back to the house and do, I'm gonna make a cable harness, a new harness for the headlights on this car because I just kind of slapped them in there, shitty, and just to get them working in there because I had some issues before. But now that they're in, they're good. We can get that all dialed in and looking nice and pretty. Oh. All right. Just got done donating blood, filling up with some 85. I'm gonna slap that mic on the back of the car. Then I just hold the camera on the inside, and we'll get all the audio from the outside. Just get a little sound clips from the exterior. Car's a little warm now. It's 170. It's cold out today, so warms up pretty slow, but should be good. I love this station over by me. It's usually minimum E70. I always get probably E80 whenever I've tested it, so it's nice. All right, I'm gonna throw this mic in the back and we'll get going.